Alright, we're live on YouTube. Oh wait, you can't see anything. Oops. It's because you need that one. Sorry about that. Alright, we're live on YouTube. Oh wait, you can't see anything. Oops. There we go. Now we're good. Then I gotta mute myself. Back to OBS. And then we click the go live button on TikTok. Hey Ryan, good to see you. Alright, sweet. And then we pop out this chat, and then we're good for TikTok. Alright, just wanted to have a general word of discussion. Also new Discord there in the YouTube chat if you're interested. Yeah, just general word of discussion, just to chill, and I also got a new weather, I vibe coded a new weather alert bot that actually reads out the warnings, well, kind of, and so I want to test that out a little bit while we wait for the new day one SPC outlook, so. Hey Jackson, what's up? Alright, so I can check Galena, Illinois. Sure thing. Hold on, then I gotta do data overlay, severe weather, and then we gotta turn on day 2, because day 1's pretty much done. You guys, Galena, Illinois, you guys are under this slight risk. You are a little far north of the main severe weather threat. Missouri, Ohio. Yep.
Alert. NHC issues tropical weather outlook, 2, at June 16th, 11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Saving Time.
You'll have to let me know what you think about that, guys. That's what the alert bot's gonna be. Missouri, or Missouri, Ohio, you guys are under the marginal risk on Wednesday, level 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Rochester, Illinois, for through the night and Monday and day tomorrow, or in the morning. Rochester, Minnesota, you guys are under the slight risk level 2 out of 5. Here we go. Example.
Alert. ICT issues severe thunderstorm warning for Allen, Neosho, Wilson, Woodson till 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Saving Time.
So then I get that message. I look to see what the warning is. I see it's a new severe thunderstorm warning, no updates to the tags or anything. And then I can zoom in, and I know it's in Kansas. And I go down here, and boom, there it is. See, I got a little new chatbot here. Well, not chatbot, so Python program that I'm vibe coded this afternoon. It was a little annoying, but I got it to work. But yeah, there's that. Away with Kansas, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale for Wednesday. Wind advisory, though, is in effect from 7 to 3 p.m. For wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Burbank, Illinois. Burbank, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Bluefield, Virginia, yep. Bluefield, Virginia, we're fine. No severe weather threat. That's gonna be on Thursday for you guys. Edwardsville, Illinois. Illinois, yep. Edwardsville, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Wind advisory is also in effect from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Wednesday for 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Canton, Illinois. Canton, Illinois, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. There is also a flood watch from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening for you guys as well. South Bend, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather. That is a level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Aurora, Illinois, yep. Aurora, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Springfield, though, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Portage, Indiana, you guys are under the slight risk, not the slight risk, the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 2 or 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Boswell, Indiana, yep. Boswell, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale for Wednesday. Minneapolis, Minnesota, you guys are under a marginal risk. I think you guys might be too far north on Wednesday. The main severe weather threat's going to be to your south. Dunlop, Illinois, yep. Dunlop, Illinois, you guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale for Wednesday. You guys also have a flood watch from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. Well, I guess I could start saying today for you guys, because it is technically Wednesday for you guys. Crystal Lake, Illinois. Crystal Lake, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Indianapolis, Indiana, yep, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. McPherson, Kansas. You guys should be good for a few days. Yeah, the severe weather threat for tonight has pretty much ended for you guys. Although yeah, and tomorrow, maybe a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, but I think the main threat's going to be well off towards the east. How bad would a storm be for Houston, Texas? If you're talking about the tropical storm, well, the potential tropical storm, it's just going to be a bunch of rain for you guys. That's really, all we really need to worry about. It's just a bunch of rain. There's a flood watch that continues until Thursday morning. It's just going to be a big rainmaker for you guys. I think you guys are also under a moderate risk for flash flooding. Let me double check that. Houston, looks like most of the rain's going to be to your east. Should we expect any tornadoes today across the country? If by today you mean Wednesday, there's a good chance that we can see tornadoes. The setup's looking like it was, when was that? Back on Thursday. Yes, I think that was last Thursday. That's kind of, it's a similar setup. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Milwaukee, Wisconsin, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather for, actually, no, you're not. You're under the marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for Wednesday. There is a beach hazard statement from this afternoon through this evening for dangerous swimming conditions due to high waves and onshore winds. But yeah, the main severe weather threat's going to be to your south, though, in Milwaukee. Delphi, Indiana, yep. Oh, it's at Delphi. Delphi, however you pronounce it. You guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Yep, Matt's got it. Today's likely to be a tornado outbreak, especially in Illinois. It's bringing back similar vibes of back on Thursday. Blount County, Alabama. You guys are fine. Maybe a few thunderstorms. No severe weather threat for you guys. Got a flood watch down to your south, though. From Thursday morning to Friday evening. Ypsilanti, Michigan. You guys are just on the edge of the slight risk. Level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. The main threat's still going to be to your south. Griffith, Indiana. Yep. It was just there. Griffith, Indiana. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Burbank, Illinois. Burbank, Illinois. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Covington, Indiana. Yep. And I can't spell because I hit the V key by C accident. Covington, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather. That is level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. St. Joseph, Illinois, yep. St. Joseph, Illinois, you guys are also under the moderate risk of severe weather. That is level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Toledo, Ohio, you guys are under a slight risk, 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Portage, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Schaumburg, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. What time will happen in Indianapolis? Good question. Let's go to the models. I haven't really had a chance to look at the models yet, so this will be my first time too. Let's go to HRRR, use that while we can. Probably by either the afternoon or evening hours, most likely in the late afternoon to evening hours is when the storms will move through Indianapolis. Yeah, probably late from the late afternoon to the evening hours. Let me... Not that one. Reflectivity. Oh, yeah, that could be... If those are supercells, though, that could be something to watch. But we won't know... we won't really know how the storms behave until, later in the day. You know, one thing that I'm seeing that has raises my eyebrows a little bit is, does this rain ahead of it, does that stabilize the atmosphere and limit the severe weather threat? Or will the storms be able to materialize behind it? Fairview, Illinois. Yep. Fairview, Illinois, you guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Yes, a moderate risk means very likely. Let me pull out, see, where are their definitions? Oh, I gotta go back to the main page. Where is it? Hey, Greg, I'll do you in a second. Is it this one? Not that one, not that one. Here we go. Moderate, 4 out of 5. I know you can't see the full thing on TikTok, but high confidence that many storms will contain damaging winds, severe hail, and/or tornadoes. Several severe storms likely to be significant. Scattered to numerous severe storms expected. Alright, Homer Glen, Illinois, now do, Lake Orion, Michigan. And then let me type in Lake Orion, Michigan, so I don't forget. Homer Glen, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main risk is going to be tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. Actually, all three threats on the table. Lake Orion, Michigan. You guys are just outside the severe weather threat. You guys should be alright for Wednesday. Might just need to keep an eye on see if any lone thunderstorms move into your area from the south, but you should be alright. Noblesville, Indiana. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather. That is a level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threat's going to be tornadoes, damaging winds, and hail. Chanute, Kansas, yep. Chanute, Kansas. Actually, you guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning right now. Severe thunderstorm warning that goes until 12:45 a.m. Central Time for 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-size hail. As far as Wednesday goes, you guys are under a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, and we also have a wind advisory from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. for 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Mackinac, yep, I just saw that. Mackinac, Illinois, yep. Mackinac, Illinois, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. We also have a flood watch that is in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening for you guys. Cook County, Illinois, yep. Cook County, Illinois, that's Chicago. The northern side of Chicago is under a slight risk, 2 out of 5. The southern part of Chicago is under the enhanced risk, on level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Oklahoma City, you guys are going to be way too far south. You don't need to worry about severe weather. You need to worry about heat. You guys will be under heat advisory from 1 to 8 p.m. on Wednesday for heat indices between 105 and 110 degrees. Can I tell you the weather for tomorrow? Yes, we got major severe weather event, potential big severe weather outbreak occurring across Illinois and Indiana. That's what we're mainly focused on for the weather tomorrow. And then we have a tropical disturbance that's likely to form into a tropical storm either early this morning or late this afternoon, and that's going to make landfall somewhere around Louisiana, going to dump a bunch of rain to the southern Mississippi River Valley for the southern states. Marengo, Illinois, yep. Marengo, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Joliet, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Wheatfield, Indiana, yep. Wheatfield, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threats are going to be tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. Some of those tornadoes have the potential to be strong too. Porter, it's Portage, not Porter. Porter, Indiana, you guys are under the, okay, similar spot. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threat's going to be tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. The greatest chance of seeing strong tornadoes is going to be to your south, though. But you still could see potential for tornadoes. Not to lessen the threat. Port Arthur, Texas, yep. Port Arthur, Texas, you guys... Oh, the cone is up. You guys, yeah, we're just gonna see a bunch of rain from this tropical system that's expected to be a tropical storm here later today. I believe you guys are under a flood watch. You're under a tropical storm watch, but you guys are also under a flood watch through Thursday morning. Heavy rain's gonna be a biggest concern for you guys in South Texas. Yep, that's right. Listen to Matt. Matt knows what he's... Matt says, yep, Matt's got it. We could see potential, maybe an EF4 tornado. I believe this is a conditional or a significant level 2. So EF3 plus expected in intensity. Yes, they have that. And we are waiting for the new day 1 outlook. That's also, I got my weather alert bot, so hopefully, if it works right, it should notify me when a new weather alert, new severe weather outlook is issued. If not, then I know that I'm doing something wrong and I need to fix that. But it should be working right. That's also why I want to stream tonight, just to make sure that that bot is working. Pensacola, Florida. You guys are going to be dealing with some heavy rain. You guys are under a flood watch through Friday afternoon. And let's see how your excessive rainfall is. Pensacola is down here. This is for Wednesday. You guys are under a slight risk level 2 out of 4 for flash flooding. Thursday, you guys are right on the edge of the moderate risk, almost a 3 out of 4 for flash flooding. And Friday, you guys are under a slight risk, level 2 out of 4 for flash flooding. So, heavy rainfall is going to be a concern for the next few days. Very low chance for tornadoes, but the main threat's going to be flash flooding. But we'll keep an eye on the tornado situation because we could always see some sneaky tornadoes from tropical systems. Bloomington, Indiana, yep. Bloomington, Indiana, you guys are right on the edge of this enhanced risk. You guys are under the enhanced risk level 3 out of 4 in the severe weather scale. Main threats are going to be some tornadoes, damaging winds, and maybe some large hail. What time is it going to start in Illinois? Good question. According to the models, it should start probably by late afternoon to the early evening hours. For you guys, could see an initial round of rain earlier in the day too that we might have to keep an eye on. I'm also curious if that round of rain is gonna lessen the severe weather potential if it does materialize. But probably afternoon hours is when it's gonna happen in Illinois. Gardner, Kansas. Gardner, Kansas, you guys will be under the slight risk of severe weather for Wednesday. That is a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threats are going to be damaging winds and large hail. Very low but non-zero threat of tornadoes. For the rest of today, though, you guys are fine. Or tonight. Schaumburg, Illinois, yep. You guys... I know you guys are somewhere up here. You guys are under this slight risk. Level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Main threat's going to be damaging winds and large hail. Large hail is going to be a primary hazard. There is a low but non-zero threat of tornadoes, though. Bolingbrook, Illinois. Let's see. And does the red have any chance to come north? Maybe. Well, probably not, though, but we'll have to wait and see. We're also waiting for the new day one outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. That should come within the next, by the end of the hour. But sometimes it can be a little late on that. But we're going to keep an eye on, and we'll see what the Storm Prediction Center does with their, moderate risk. And I don't think they're going to go high. Some people have been hyping that up. I don't think so. If they're going to go high, they're probably going to do that, during the day on Wednesday. After they get the, observations. Cleveland, Ohio. You guys are under a marginal risk. Level 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threat's just going to be damaging winds. Galesburg, Illinois, yep. Galesburg, Illinois, you guys will be under the enhanced risk of severe weather. Level 2, 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Flood watch is also in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. Champaign, Illinois. You guys are under the moderate risk. Level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. You guys are in the threat zone for just about everything. Good news, it's not going to happen until the afternoon, so you can go to sleep now. And hopefully the storms miss you, but you don't need to be scared. Just be prepared. I'll be with you throughout the day on Wednesday, keeping you informed. I'm sure Matt will be here too, just to keep an eye on things as well. Heath, Ohio. Heath, Ohio, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather. That is a level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threats are going to be damaging winds, and then very low but non-zero threat for hail and tornadoes. Thanks, Matt. If I knew you would be here, I appreciate you. Also, guys, I don't know if you read the description, but I have a new Discord. If you're on TikTok, it's in the link tree in the bio. Feel free to join that if you want to talk about whether when I'm not live, or come up with any suggestions, or maybe potentially play some video games with me sometime down the road. If you're on YouTube, it's in the description. And if you want to become a Weaver Weather Helper or a moderator, the links for that are also in the Discord. Pontiac, Illinois, yep. Pontiac, Illinois, you guys are under the moderate risk on level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale for Wednesday. Is Chesterfield, Missouri going to be okay? Let's see.
Update. ICT continues severe thunderstorm warning for Neosho, Wilson till 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Saving Time.
You guys are under the enhanced risk in Chesterfield, Missouri, level 3 out of 5. So they continued that severe thunderstorm warning, but I see that they changed the tags. They upgraded this a little bit from 1-inch hail to ping pong ball size hail. So if you are south of Chinook, Kansas, you guys have the potential now of seeing up to ping pong ball size hail. Lombard, Illinois, yep. Lombard, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threats are going to be, basically everything, but the highest risk is going to be down towards the south. Leesburg, Indiana, yep. Be your Leesburg, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather. That is a level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threats are just about going to be everything: tornadoes, wind, and hail. But the highest risk is to your southwest right now. We will be flying to St. Louis on Thursday. Do you know if the bad weather will be finished by then? Yeah. In St. Louis, the bad weather will be finished by then. Adrian, Missouri. Adrian, Missouri, you guys are under the enhanced risk, or slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Hold on, I might have to, let me just double check something, make sure the Discord's right. Permissions, yeah, okay, should be set for everybody, and then this should be set for... Weather weenie. I'll have to fix that later. If you're on the Discord, let me know if it doesn't work. I saw only one person join, though. That's fine. You don't have to join if you don't want to. Just saying it's out there if you want to, though. You wanna hop in the voice chat, man? Okay, you can hop in the voice chat. Sure. Let me know if you can't. Let me know people who are joining it. If you can't, you should be able to start doing things once you hit the button in the rules message. Let me know if it doesn't work. Hey, Matt, can you hear me? Because I can't hear you. Oh, Matt left.
Hello? You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. You can hear me, right?
Perfect. Yep, I can hear you.
Cool, awesome.
Alright, let me go get my PC real quick. I can help you out with the locations.
Yep, sounds good. Thanks, buddy.
Can they hear me in the background?
They should be able to. You guys can hear Matt, right?
Omaha, Nebraska. I'll check that. Hold on. Omaha, Nebraska. It's in the
Oh.
Discord.
I'm sorry?
I'm looking to somebody about in the Discord. Omaha, Nebraska. I'm looking for.
Okay, Omaha, Nebraska. I will look for
Omaha,
Naperville.
Nebraska. They're clear. There ain't nothing towards them. They're gonna be dry. Like I'm saying, dry. Look at this. Look at the radar, please. I need this. Thank you.
Alright, Naperville, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather. That's going to be a level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. You guys are in the threat zone, but the highest threat's going to be to your south. But you guys still have a threat that you need to take seriously nonetheless.
You think there will be a high risk that Sky the Wizard? The Discord? Alright, my TikTok crashed. Damn.
That's alright. I see people are actually talking in Discord. Awesome. It's still going to be a high risk. Okay, don't put locations in the Discord because I'm not going to check that. Well, Matt will check that if he wants to, but
I'll check the one in the Discord.
Okay, you can check those.
Poland, India. I got you. Hold on. Poland.
I'll check the ones on the TikTok and YouTube then.
Clay County. You guys are in the enhanced risk. Wait, what number is it? That's 3 out of 5 on the weather scale. I need my PlayStation. Wow. There we go.
Right. Lockport, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk, 3 out of 5. You have a threat for everything, but the highest risk is going to be to your south.
Poland, Indiana has you're in risk of tornadoes, wind, hail, and flooding. Possibly.
Do you think? Oh, Allswip, Illinois. Allswip, Illinois. You guys are under the enhanced risk. Same thing. 3 out of 5. You have the risk for everything. Tornadoes, wind, and hail. But the highest chance and probably the most severe threat's going to be to yourself. But you still need to stay weather aware nonetheless. Green Springs, Ohio. Yep, I see her. In YouTube. Green Springs,
Okay.
Ohio, you guys are under the slight risk, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. You have a threat of, you have a threat of everything, but it's very low compared to what it is off towards your west. Your threat's going to be more of in the evening, overnight hours.
Frankfort, Indiana. I got you. Hold on. Frank, what you got? Frank. For Indiana.
Richmond, Virginia, you're going to be fine for today, Wednesday. Tomorrow, you guys, Thursday, you're under a march risk 1 out of 5. Where's the link to the Discord? It's in the bio. On the top.
It's in the
my
link
TikTok.
tree in his bio.
Yeah, I know. TikTok won't let me put it in the description, so it has to be in the bio. It's in the link tree.
Or I could pin it in the comments and they can copy and paste it to their
Oh.
browser.
You can do that. Actually, I might be able to do that. I didn't know you could do
Yeah,
that.
you can do that. Yeah, you're able to do that. Yep, you're able to do that. Yep. Hold on. Let me go to your thing. Invite. Copy link. Yeah, you can pin it on the TikTok.
Okay, Matt's got the Discord link. He'll pin it here in a second.
There you go. That's fine. I'll keep on pinning it. There we go. Let me go to my Discord on my computer.
Alright, there's the Discord. Get it quickly before it disappears in a minute. TikTok pins don't say permanent, which is annoying. Lansing, Illinois, yeah, I gotcha. You guys
I'm
are under...
copying and pasting it, so.
Yeah.
Alright, but look up this stuff here.
Lansing, Illinois, you guys are under a level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. That's going to be your main threat's going to be tornadoes, wind, and hail. But the highest chance and the more severe action should be to your south, but we still need to stay weather aware nonetheless. When we start getting tornado watches and warnings in Wednesday afternoon and evening, that's what we need to stay more focused on rather than the general risk outline. Wheatfield, Indiana, I gotcha.
Hold on. Where's this chat at?
Wheatfield, Indiana, you guys are under a moderate risk. Level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. You guys are on the bullseye for everything.
Elkhart, Indiana. Let me do this real quick.
Truck driver coming from Wisconsin to Chicago to Indiana. Yeah, you gotta worry about some severe storms. The afternoon and evening are going to be your dangerous times to watch out for severe weather.
Indiana.
And then Matt has Elkhart, Indiana.
With, let me see, tornadoes. With tornadoes.
Yeah, that flight from O'Hare at 7 p.m. might be a little tricky.
Frankfort, Indiana. Frankfort.
Actually, no, Matt, looks like you got the Discord chat and you're answering them there. I think I'll just leave the voice chat and I'll continue answering the TikTok chats on stream.
That sounds good. Maybe yeah, that sounds actually really good, actually. Yeah, that sounds really good. Sounds good.
I'll have to make a channel that says location request. I might do that.
You should, yes, you should.
Alright,
Frankfort, Indiana.
Location request. And then... Okay, it's in there. But you gotta accept the rules first. Alright, I'm gonna read the chat. The voice chat. Alright, where are we? Trying to figure things out. Trying to figure out a more efficient system here. Schaumburg, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather. Level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Tomorrow, we're gonna get hit in Champaign and Danville right in the worst of it. You may not. Just be prepared. Don't need to be scared. Just be prepared. That's what we say. Tolono, Illinois, yep. Tolono, Illinois, you guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale.
Alert. ICT issues severe thunderstorm warning for Labette, Neosho, Wilson till June 17th, 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Saving Time.
Yep, they extended the severe thunderstorm warning for ping-pong ball-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds for areas south of Erie for Parsons, Kansas, and Chautauqua, Altamont, and Oswego, Kansas. Joliet, Illinois. You guys in Joliet, Illinois, you guys... No, you're down here. You guys are under the enhanced risk on level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Highland and Gary, Indiana. Let's check, Gary, Indiana first. Gary, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather. That is on level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Logansport, Indiana, yep, I gotcha. Logansport, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather, on level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Pawnee, Illinois. Pawnee, Illinois, you guys are under the... You are right on the edge between the moderate and enhanced risk. I'm going to call you under the enhanced risk, though. Level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Cleveland, Ohio, you guys are under the marginal risk. You guys have a low threat of severe weather. It's going to... Yeah, you guys... And your severe weather threat's going to be in the overnight hours, anyway. Right, TikTok checks clone fire. Lincolnshire, Illinois, yep. Lincolnshire, Illinois, you guys are under the, slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Crown Point, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk, level... Okay, we should be back on now. You guys can hear me? Okay, my internet just went out there for a second there. Not sure what happened. We are back. Okay, we are back. And I'm back on YouTube. Okay, sorry about that. My internet went out for a second. No idea what happened. Awesome. Well, let's get all the glitches out tonight and not tomorrow. Alright, let me put the, OBS there. New Caney, Texas. I gotcha. New Caney, Texas. You guys don't have any risk of severe weather. You're just going to see some rain for the next few days. Thanks to our tropical system that's developing in the Gulf. Oh, mid-Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yeah, sorry about that. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather. Chance of tornadoes, wind, and hail. Basically, all threats are on the table. Make sure you have a way to receive your watches and warnings tomorrow. And when those start coming out, that's what you need to pay more attention to. When we start seeing watches and warnings tomorrow, that's what we need to start paying attention to more, rather than just the general severe weather risk outline. What is the tornado percentages? As of right now, the new Day 1 Outlook should come out, any minute. Well, should come out probably within the next half an hour. It's supposed to come out before 2 in the morning, but sometimes they've been late lately. They probably got a lot to talk about. But tornado percentages, 15% in the red, 10% in the orange. Wind is 30% in the, it's not 30% in the red, 15% in the orange. Same thing for hail. What can you expect for Chicago? You guys can expect some severe thunderstorms in the afternoon to evening hours tomorrow. In the 4:30 p.m. daughter working zoo until then. The storms might come later after that. She might be okay until then. I'm expecting the storms to come into Indianapolis probably after 4:30 p.m. Okay. And, Danville, sorry, I had to type something here real quick. Danville, Illinois, yeah, gotcha. Random guy, you have to,
Alert! National Hurricane Center issues Advisory 3A for potential Tropical Cyclone 1 intermediate.
hold on, just figuring something's out here. I probably should have had a message, sent for a welcome message on Discord. You give me about 1 to 2 minutes. If you are just...
Alert! NHC issues Tropical Weather Outlook 2 at June 17th, 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time.
Please go to... Gotcha. Where is it? And now we're back. Stupid internet. Gotta talk to mom and dad about that, see what's going on. Wapakoneta, Ohio. Wapakoneta, Ohio, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 of the severe weather scale. Any severe weather from Michigan, just as far south of Michigan. Basically the southern half of Michigan, but it gets, less as you go farther north. Peoria, Illinois, should you be concerned? You don't need to be concerned, you need to be prepared. You guys are under the bullseye, though, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Walkerton, Indiana. Yep, I got you. Walkerton, Indiana. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 4, or 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Did I disconnect again? No, it says it's there. And I went. Yeah, I went down. You guys can hear me, right? I see the chat still moving, so I think I'm good. Yeah, I think I'm good. Alright, Aston, Pennsylvania. Aston, Pennsylvania. You guys are under... Why does it keep saying that? You guys are under no severe weather threat for you guys. That's going to be on Thursday for you guys. Why does it say I'm disconnected? I'm connected. We're fine. Brackley, Illinois. Brackley, Illinois. You guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Valparaiso, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Bloomington, Illinois, severe weather in the afternoon. All hazards are on the table for you guys too. Tornadoes, wind, and hail. Still waiting for the new day 1 outlook to come out from the Storm Prediction Center. There was a new tropical advisory for potential tropical cyclone 1. It's an intermediate advisory. Still has not fallen to the tropical cyclone yet. Belleville, Michigan. Belleville, Michigan. You guys are under the slight risk of severe weather in level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Let me just check. Is everything going well there? Yep. Yeah. Mason City, Illinois. Yep. Mason City, Illinois. You guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. 3 out of 5. What should we expect on 3 out of 5? For 3 out of 5, you can expect high confidence that severe storms will contain damaging winds, severe hail, and/or tornadoes. You can expect scattered to numerous severe storms. Crestwood, Missouri. Yep. Crestwood, Missouri. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather in level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. New map should be coming up any minute. That's right. I don't think they're gonna go with the high risk though. If they're gonna go high, they're probably gonna wait until after they get the observations in the morning. Kankakee, Illinois. Step by... Where's Kankakee? I know... there it is. You guys are under the moderate risk. Level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Attica, Indiana. Yep. Attica, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk on level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. That's what the red means. The red is a level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather threat scale. Houston, you guys are just going to be seeing quite a bit of rain from what we have is potential tropical cyclone that is expected to form into a tropical storm, or tropical depression, tropical storm later on Wednesday through Thursday before making landfall in Louisiana. Just going to be a big rainmaker for the southeast. Gary, Indiana. Yep. Gary, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. How bad Warsaw, Indiana is going to be? Yep. Warsaw, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather 2, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Schaumburg, Illinois, you guys are under a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Why can't I add walls? There we go. There you go. Let's see, online. I'll figure it out. I'll figure out the Discord stuff later. Aurora, Illinois, yep. Aurora, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Did I see you? Missed that. Arcola, Illinois, yep. Arcola, Illinois. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Paw Paw, Illinois, yep. Paw Paw, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. What's that Discord notification? Just a teaser for a mod. Rockford, Illinois, yep. Rockford, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Okay, I thought I saw that. Yeah, I'll look at that after the stream.
Update. ICT continues severe thunderstorm warning for Labette, Neosho till 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Saving Time.
Yep, that is a considerable damage tag. We have golf ball size hail expected with this severe storm here. That's the considerable threat tag alarm there. This is going to be for Parsons, Oswego, Chattahoochee, and Altamont. This severe storm is capable of producing up to golf ball size hail now. Also, if you join the Discord, I gotta set the auto moderation bot to do this, but you should, if you hit the accept rules button, then you should be able to get the role that allows you to see the location request. If not, then I gotta figure this out tonight. That's why I'm doing this stream right now. I want to figure things out before tomorrow, or before later today. Merrillville, Indiana, yep. Merrillville, there's an L in there. Merrillville, Indiana, you guys are under the, enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Grayville, Illinois, yep. Grayville, Illinois, you guys are under the, slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Downers Grove, Illinois. Yep, I got you. That's 2 words. Downers Grove, Illinois. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather as well. Level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Let me see. Did you do that? No, you did not. And then, where was I? Louisville, Kentucky, you guys are under the marginal risk. You guys might be too far south to really see anything, but we still got to keep an eye on things just in case. Verona, Illinois. Yep, I gotcha. Verona, Illinois. You guys are under a moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. We're waiting for the new Day 1 Storm Prediction Center outlook to come out any minute. We'll see. They'll probably keep it the same. But I'm sure they're discussing amongst themselves, seeing what they want to do. Judah, Wisconsin, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. If you could check Addison, Illinois, yes I can. Saw your message just in time. Addison, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. I type hard, sorry about that. I'm a hard typer. I've been told I type loud a lot by many people. So, sorry, you're gonna have to deal with that. Woodstock, Illinois. Woodstruck, Illinois, don't see it. Yeah, don't see it. Cedar Lake, Indiana. Gotcha. Cedar Lake, Indiana. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Garfield Ridge, Illinois, yep. Garfield Ridge, Illinois, near Chicago, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Oak Lawn, Illinois, yep. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Lowell, Indiana, yep. Lowell, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. You guys are on the bullseye too. Aurora, Illinois, you guys... Can I find you without looking it up? No, I can't. I know it's right near Chicago. It's northwestern Joliet, okay. You guys are under the enhanced risk, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Springfield, Missouri is under the slight risk. Springfield, Illinois is under the moderate risk, 4 out of 5. I've been typing for a while. Had to write a bunch of papers in school, so that helped. Sanford, Florida. And I know how to type correctly, too. There's a proper way to type. Yes, I'm seeing your comments, but then I see it for a second. Albion, Illinois. I gotcha. Or Indiana. Sanford, Florida, you're fine. Just a few showers and thunderstorms. Albion, Indiana, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, not slight, sorry, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather. Level 2, 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Plano, Illinois, yep. Plano, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. New Augusta, Mississippi, alright. New Augusta, Mississippi, you guys are under a flood watch. Flood watch goes, through Friday afternoon. Can expect some heavy rainfall, for the next few days with our tropical system in the Gulf. Which is expected to be Tropical Storm Alberto, later today or tomorrow. Highland, Indiana, yep. Highland, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Festus, Missouri, yep. Festus, Missouri, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Did they come out with a new day 1 outlook? Yes they did. And I did not get the alert. So, I need to figure something out then. Hold on, let me double check. Oh, that came out like 4 minutes ago. Okay, I did not get the beep, so I need to figure that out with my bot. Do I have the word in? Let me see. Cause it's probably, hold on. Gonna do a little bit of debugging here. Go to IEMBot, cause that's where I'm pulling my data from. We'll go to Storm Prediction Center. Yeah, cause I have the, words one. And then, Weather Prediction Center is excessive rainfall discussion. Convective outlook. It should have worked. I mean, unless it didn't. Oh, they find hurricane hunters in there. That would be interesting. Oh, and then let's see what day 2 is. Day 2 for Thursday. They shifted the risk further eastward. Interesting. Looks like it's just going to be a line that's going to move through late in the night, early in the morning. Tropical weather outlook. See, like, convective outlook should work. Not sure why it didn't, unless I lost internet there, which is possible. Oh well. Okay, where are we? Springfield, Illinois. Yep, I got you. Springfield, Illinois. You know, guys, I'm gonna stream until 2:30, so until the bottom of the hour, and then I got a few things to figure out in the Discord, and then I'm gonna get some bed and get some good sleep because I got a busy day ahead of us on Wednesday. But Springfield, you guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Albion, Indiana being in the yellow zone. Let's see. Albion, Indiana. I mean, you guys are already in the yellow zone. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. If you're talking about the red zone, there's a chance, but I think the greatest threat's going to be to your west. Schaumburg, Illinois, you guys are under a slight risk of severe weather level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. DeMont, Indiana, yep. DeMont, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Joliet, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Dayton, Ohio is under a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Cleveland's now under the slight risk. They shifted the slight risk for the east a little bit, and the marginal risk a little bit for the east as well. Let me see if they have anything down here. Very small chance for tornadoes along the Gulf Coast. Yeah. I mean, we gotta keep an eye on the Gulf Coast, too, for some sneaker tornadoes. But the main threat for tornadoes is gonna be, around Illinois and Indiana. Do you think South Chicago area will have power outages? Oh, yeah. If you guys got power outages during those storms last week, then yeah, there's a good chance we'll see some power outages again. St. Charles, Illinois, yeah, gotcha. St. Charles, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Same thing as Kenosha, Wisconsin. There's also a beach hazard statement for dangerous swimming conditions for this afternoon and tonight. Chicago, Illinois, the north side of Chicago is under the slight risk, the south side of Chicago is under the enhanced risk. Niles, Michigan. Niles, Michigan, you guys are under a enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threat's going to be tornadoes, wind and hail. Muncie, Indiana, same thing, all hazards are on the table for you guys too. Aurora, Illinois, that is to the northwest of Joliet, there you guys are. Same thing, enhanced risk, all hazards are on the table for you guys. Kokomo, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather level 4 out of 5. All severe weather hazards are on the table. Kansas City, Kansas, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your severe weather threat is going to be mainly damaging winds and hail. Oh, excuse me. Clinton, Illinois. Clinton, Illinois, you guys are under a moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Speedway, Indiana, that's right near Indianapolis, I believe. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Kankakee, Illinois, moderate risk, 4 out of 5. Seymour, Indiana, yep. There's a U in there. Seymour, Indiana, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threat's going to be damage and winds. What time are these, come on, scroll back up. What time are these expected to hit Noblesville, Indiana? You have a scheduled event induction for your baby. Probably by late in the evening, overnight hours. That's when I would expect them to hit, Noblesville, Indiana. DeKalb, Illinois, yep. DeKalb, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. While we're at it, I want to read the convective outlook text from the Storm Prediction Center. I know it's going to be, you can't see the full thing on TikTok, but, let's see, they are saying, an intense mid to upper level jet will bring the southeast word across the Midwest with permanent disturbance, blah, 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 severe storms, yada, yada. Increases, low level jet increases 60 knots, not reading stabilized in the area. The initial activity will bring damage and winds to eastern Iowa and northern and central Illinois. The system is expected to weaken later in the afternoon, but some remnants will move across Indiana. Ahead of this early activity, a warm front will push north across Indiana and Ohio. New severe storm development expect perhaps transitioning out of the remnant activity and forming near the warm front is possible across northern Indiana into northwest Ohio. Shear profiles will be excessive, with tornado risk only conditional on the minimal instability being present. The result may be an isolated tornado like supercells. That's for the Ohio stuff. With the storm earlier. In the west, the air mass across northern Missouri, Illinois, and central Indiana will easily recover and rapidly destabilize due to strong southwest winds. A 60-knot low-level jet is forecast with notably strong winds across the 700 millibar as well as surface to 3 kilometers. Shear values may exceed 60 knots. A plume with 60 to 70 degree dew points will likely extend from central Illinois to 2,000 to 3,000 joules per kilogram of mixed radio Cape. A broken line of supercells is likely to develop and mature roughly from northern Illinois into central Illinois and Missouri around 21Z. That's mid-afternoon. And spread it actually, no, that's late afternoon and evening. Spread in east-southeast through activity early evening. Given clearly supercellular shear profiles, linear storm mode is unlikely for most of the event. Long-trapped supercells producing tornadoes and damaging hail unlikely. Finally, the warm frontal position will need to be monitored near the Indiana-Michigan border. Even if instability is elevated into Michigan, extreme shear and lift may still yield damaging winds and even a tornado risk. As such, probabilities have been increased for far southern lower Michigan. And then for Texas, the NHC forecast shows potential tropical cyclone 1 moving into southwest Louisiana by 0Z or this evening. Wind fields associated with this system will strengthen from Texas into southern Louisiana. South ahead, resulting in areas of low-level shear from Texas into southern Louisiana and possibly into Mississippi. Mid to upper 70-degree dew points will contribute to modest Cape values, supporting embedded stronger cells with tornado potential. Yep, that's usually what you see with tropical systems. This is tornado threat usually with tropical systems. So, yeah, they're expecting supercells this afternoon across Illinois and Indiana that could bring potentially strong tornadoes. So what's going to happen is there's going to be a round of potentially damaging winds that will move through early in the morning or early afternoon hours. Then the atmosphere is going to recover. Yeah, so I was reading the new SPC, Matt. And then the atmosphere is going to recover. And then we are going to see supercells in the afternoon. That's basically what the experts at the Storm Prediction Center think is going to happen. But yeah, told you guys there wasn't going to be a high risk. If they're going to issue a high risk, they're going to do that in the middle of the day. They're going to wait to see what the observations are and see what happens. Is Naperville, Illinois, your guys, I believe... no, you guys are in the, orange zone, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Portage and Valparaiso, same thing. You guys are in the orange zone, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. That's the enhanced risk of severe weather. Oh yeah, no problem, Denise, anytime. LaGrange, Indiana, yep. LaGrange, Indiana, you guys are same thing, enhanced risk level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. They shifted the tornado potential a little bit north in the southern Michigan. That's what they were talking about. Because we're gonna have to wait and see how the warm front behaves throughout the day. South Bend, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Racine, Wisconsin, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Schaumburg, Illinois. Schaumburg, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Lowell, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5. No, I cannot snap my fingers. Do you think there will be a tornado in Peoria? I don't know about in Peoria, but there's a chance that you do have a decent threat of a tornado, so you just need to be aware. We won't know where the tornadoes are going to be until right before they happen, basically. But there's a chance that there could be tornadoes, yes. You guys have a decent tornado threat. Same thing for Bloomington, Illinois. There's also a flood watch for Bloomington from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. Danville, Indiana, yep. Danville, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. What does level 3 mean? Is there a high tornado chance? It means there's a decent tornado chance, but it's not as high as it is in the level 4. Goshen, Ohio. Goshen, Ohio, you guys are under a slight risk of severe weather, a level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Garfield Ridge, is that Ohio? No, Chicago. Garfield Ridge, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Carpentersville, you have a chance of tornadoes. There's the potential. We won't know though until the storms happen. So that's why you need to have a way to get your watches and warnings. Tulsa, Oklahoma, you guys are just under a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5. Your greatest threat's gonna be damaging winds. Elmhurst, Illinois, yep. Elmhurst, Illinois, you guys are under a slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Same thing for North Chicago. Ramsey, Minnesota, yep. Ramsey, Minnesota, you guys are under a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Your main threat's gonna be actually everything, but it's very, very, very low. I'm disconnected from OBS, but it says we are still on TikTok, so I'm not sure what my issue is with OBS. OBS decided to have a stroke there for a second. Blue Mound, Illinois, yep. Maybe we need to reset the router. Blue Mound, Illinois, you guys are under a moderate risk of severe weather, a level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Elkhart, Indiana. Elkhart, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Greatest threats is going to be everything. Tornadoes, wind, and hail. Toledo, you guys are under a slight risk of severe weather. All hazards are on the table, but they're not as high as they are further to your west. Aurora, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Demont, Indiana, yep. Demont, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Kirkland, Illinois, yep. Kirkland, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Branson, Missouri. Branson, Missouri, you guys are just under a marginal risk of a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. South Chicago, you guys are on a 3 out of 5. Enhanced risk of severe weather. Dayton, Ohio, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather level 2 out of 5. Same thing for Schaumburg, Illinois. Joliet, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5. Cary, Ohio, yep. Cary, Ohio, you guys are under a slight risk of severe weather, a level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Uniontown, Ohio, yep. Uniontown, Ohio, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, a level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Then... Elk Grove Village, Illinois, yep. Elk Grove Village, Illinois. I know you can see, Matt. You guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, a level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Dubuque, Iowa. Dubuque, Iowa, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather, a level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. For once, weather where should you be in Milwaukee? A little bit. You don't need to be, you do not need to be as weather aware as you do farther south, but I'm still going to be here anyway, regardless. But you don't need to be as weather aware as you do, in Illinois. Rockford, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Flint, Michigan, yep.
Update. ICT continues severe thunderstorm warning for Labette till 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Saving Time.
They got rid of the severe threat considerable tag. It's now just capable of producing ping-pong ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. That's this severe thunderstorm right here that's moving into Oswego, Kansas. Stream for about another 7 more minutes, and I got... Actually, yeah, 7 more minutes, and I got a few things to check out. Irwinton, Georgia, yep. I'll check. Irwinton, Georgia, and then I'll check Flint, Michigan. You're fine in Irwinton, Georgia. You guys are just going to be dealing with quite a bit of rainfall from Thursday morning to Friday night. Flood watch is in effect. Flint, Michigan, you guys are under a marginal risk of severe weather level 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Galena, Illinois, yep. Galena, Illinois, you guys are under a slight risk of severe weather, a level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Elgin, Illinois, yep. Elgin, Illinois, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather in level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. In Kalamazoo, Michigan, yeah, you need to be weather aware. You guys are under a slight risk, level 2 out of 5. Your main threat, though, is going to be damaging winds and large hail. Jamestown, Indiana. Jamestown, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Same thing for Valparaiso. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, we are just under a marginal risk. Our main threat is going to be damage winds. St. Mary's, Ohio, yep. St. Mary's, Ohio, you guys are under the marginal risk of severe weather in level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. All hazards are on the table. The Elgin threat. The Elgin, Illinois, you guys are under a slight risk of severe weather in level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Minooka, Illinois, yep. Minooka, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather in level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Cary, Illinois, you guys are under a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Morris, Illinois. Morris, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather in level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Winfield, Indiana. Winfield, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather in level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Kankakee, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5. I missed that. Houston, Texas, you guys, your main threat's just going to be a bunch of rain. Flood watch is in effect through Wednesday evening for potential what is expected to be future tropical storm Alberto. Warsaw, Indiana, yep. That's the wrong one. Warsaw, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Hobart, Indiana. Hobart, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Kansas City, Missouri, yep. Oh, wait, why am I typing that? I know these, I'm zoning out. I only got 4 more minutes. I need a good night's sleep. Kansas City, you guys are under the slight risk. Your main threat's gonna be, damage and winds. And large hail. Vernon, Wisconsin, yep. Vernon, Wisconsin, you guys are under the slight risk of severe weather in level 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Champaign, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Winchester, Virginia, we're going to be fine for today. Tomorrow we are under a slight risk, level 2 out of 5. Your main threat's going to be damage and winds. That's all it is for. This slight risk is for damage and winds tomorrow. Warsaw, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, a level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Jacksonville, Illinois, yep. Jacksonville, Illinois, you guys are under a moderate risk, level 4 out of 5. There is also a wind advisory for 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Wednesday. Or today, I guess. Kankakee, you guys are under the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Arkansas, just a very far northwest of Arkansas, near Bentonville and Bella Vista, are under a marginal risk, but no, Arkansas is going to be too far south. Ypsilanti, Michigan, you guys are under a slight risk of severe weather. Your main threat is going to be, damage and winds. Clinton, Illinois, yep. And 2 more minutes, guys. Clinton, Illinois, you guys are under a moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Kokomo, Indiana, you guys are under the moderate risk as well, 4 out of 5. South Dakota, you're fine. You don't need to worry about anything in South Dakota. Then just maybe some gusty winds throughout the, yeah, just some gusty winds throughout the day. But nothing severe. Tinley Park, Illinois, yep. Tinley Park, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, a level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Peru, Illinois, yep. You guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather as well, level 3 out of 5. Bolingbrook, Illinois, yep. Bolingbrook, Illinois, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Minneapolis, you guys are under a marginal risk of 1 out of 5. I'm not too worried about severe weather for you guys up there, but we'll have to keep an eye on things just in case. Milwaukee, you guys, same thing. You guys are under the marginal risk of 1 out of 5. And then 2 more. Highland, Indiana. Highland, Indiana, you guys are under the enhanced risk of severe weather, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. And I think, Paxton, Illinois, I don't think I've done that yet. You guys are under the moderate risk of severe weather, level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Alright, it's 2:30. I'm gonna get some, I gotta figure out some stuff with the Discord, and then I'm gonna get some sleep. And then I'll be back, I'll wake up probably around 10, 11 o'clock my time, and I'll play it by ear. But I'll expect to stream sometime either around lunchtime or in the afternoon. But yeah, I'm going to bed. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow, or I guess later today.